A great teacher. Across the world, certain physics teachers have become legends, not just in classrooms, but online, in books, and in the hearts of millions. From the charismatic Richard Feynman to the electrifying Walter Lewin, from India's own HC Verma to viral YouTube stars, we'll discover what makes these educators so impactful. And more importantly, what we can learn from them. In this video, we're going to explore the lives and lessons of some of the most popular physics teachers ever. Let's dive in. They don't just solve equations, they make you feel the beauty of the cosmos. 2. The power of a great teacher. The difference between struggling with physics and loving it often comes down to one thing: the teacher. A great physics teacher doesn't just do Newton's laws. They inspire curiosity about why the apple fell from the tree. Great teachers make hard concepts feel simple. Connect theory with real life. Use stories and analogies. Make learning fun. Think back. You probably remember that one teacher who changed everything for you. Now imagine teachers so powerful they inspired millions, even across countries, languages, and generations. That's who we're about to meet. Richard Feynman, the original genius. He won the Nobel Prize in 1965 for his work in quantum electrodynamics, but many remember him more for his lectures than his awards. Richard Feynman wasn't just a physicist. He was a performer, a storyteller, and a revolutionary educator. He encouraged students to ask why until it made sense. What made Feynman legendary? The Feynman lectures on physics are still considered some of the clearest and most engaging explanations of physics ever made. He made complex topics like quantum mechanics. A retired MIT professor, Lewin became an internet sensation with his dramatic, passionate, uploaded to YouTube. He used analogies like ants on a globe or puzzle boxes to explain things simply. He was humorous, bold, and never afraid to ask dumb questions, even to experts. Feynman believed if you can't explain something simply, you don't understand it well enough. He didn't just teach physics. He taught how to think. 4. Walter Lewin. Physics in action, and millions watched. Not just students, but people from all walks of life. If Richard Feynman was the original legend, Walter Lewin is the modern-day magician. He's the teacher who swung across the lecture hall on a giant pendulum to teach conservation of energy. Fired cannons and dropped weights to demonstrate forces. Laugh and fall in love with science. Made students gasp. His lectures weren't just informative, they were experiences. Lewin once said, "Teachers who make physics boring are criminals." He believed teaching should be full of excitement, and his energy was infectious. HC Verma, India's physics mentor in India. One name stands out in every aspiring engineer's journey: Dr. Harish Chandra Verma, or HC Verma. His book, Concepts of Physics, has become a rite of passage for students preparing for IITJE. But what makes Verma so special? His explanations are crystal clear and rooted in logic. He makes you think deeply instead of memorizing. His problems teach analytical thinking. He remained humble and focused on education, not fame. Unlike flashy online stars, Verma inspired millions quietly, through depth and discipline. His teaching style is a reminder. You don't need special effects to be great. Sometimes, simplicity and sincerity are more powerful. 6. Other global icons in physics education. Besides Feynman, Lewin, and Verma, many others have revolutionized physics teaching. Brian Greene, theoretical physicist and author who popularized string theory through books like The Elegant Universe and TV specials. Michio Kaku, a theoretical physicist known for making futuristic physics relatable to general audiences. Salman Khan, his simple digital whiteboard explanations have helped millions understand physics, math, and more. Derek Muller, a YouTuber, who uses scientific curiosity and storytelling to tackle misconceptions and explain real science. Each of them brings something unique: storytelling, visuals, or humor, but all share one thing: a passion for making physics accessible. 7. What makes a physics teacher popular? Popularity doesn't come just from knowledge. It comes from connection. Here are the key traits of the world's most admired physics teachers. Clarity. They break down complex topics into simple, digestible parts. Enthusiasm. Their energy and love for physics is contagious. Real-world links. They connect abstract ideas to everyday experiences. Engagement. They ask questions, challenge ideas, and invite curiosity. Creativity. Whether it's through props, analogies, or stories, they keep things fresh. Empathy. They remember what it is like to not understand and help students from that place. Great teachers don't just teach. They ignite something inside you. 8. Online education and the physics revolution. The internet has changed everything. Today, the most popular physics teacher might not be in a classroom. They might be in your pocket. Thanks to platforms like YouTube, Coursera, Khan Academy, edX, Brilliant. Org. Students can now access world-class lessons from anywhere in the world, often for free. This has created a new generation of teacher influencers who blend entertainment with education, or edutainment. But even online, the same rules apply. The most popular physics teachers are those who connect, simplify, and inspire.